Now, let me explain that the AI video marker in CapCut is not exporting, which can be frustrating for many users, as you can see here. This is a helpful video tutorial here. Now, let's explore how to fix this common error in CapCut on your phone carefully. First, if the AI video marker in CapCut is not exporting, let's figure out the issue together. This issue is almost always related not to your PC or phone, as you can see here. This issue often relates to AI processing, cache problems, or server connectivity issues. Here are some effective methods to try now. The first step is to check your internet connection. This is essential, as you see. The AI video marker is rendered in the cloud, as you can see here. Reconnect your Wi-Fi, check the cable, or even use mobile data as shown. You can even switch to mobile internet or turn on your VPN for better access. Always try restarting your router, and I think it will work. You are doing well here. If it didn't work, now let's try restarting your CapCut application. Completely close it through the Task Manager and then reopen it. Let's try again. Can often get stuck during the generation stage, causing delays as you can see here. Also, carefully clear the cache in CapCut now. To do this, you simply go into the settings, as you can see here. If you are looking to delete the cache, you can do it easily and simply, as shown. Always do this before and after video generation, as shown here. Video file here. If that doesn't work, it could be another issue here. It seems you have too many various AI effects or other elements in your project. Something, as seen here. Voices in the video, what should we do now? Let's see. Could you please remove a little bit, just as you can see?